Okay, so today we're going to work on the objective of finding the total of more than three two or three-digit numbers using a written method. You might hear that and get a little bit confused, but if I quickly show you when they say three different numbers, that could be something like 25 plus 36 plus 42. And to be able to line up those numbers and to simply add them. 5 plus 6 is 11, so I might take that answer over here to the side and continue. 11 plus 2 is 13, and put the 1 on top, don't forget. Now I can add all of these numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so we got 3 here, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So now I have 103. Now it says two-digit or three-digit numbers. So let's take it a step further and pick three-digit numbers. So 304 plus 579 plus 293. Now, if I'm going to add all three of these numbers, I could add it the traditional way. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Put the 1 on top. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. Don't forget to continue to put the number on top. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 2 is 11. And every three digits, I put a comma. So this would be 1,176. Now, if we wanted to, we could use a little bit of mental math to solve these problems. So if I had 265 plus 698 plus 286, what I could do is I could break these numbers up very quickly in my mind into hundreds, tens, and ones. So hundreds, I already know it's going to be 200 plus 600 plus 200, and that would be 1,000. So the hundreds add up to 1,000. So I save that somewhere in my brain and don't forget it. 6 plus 9 plus 8, those are tens. So it's really 60 plus 90 plus 80. 60 plus 90 is 150. And 150 plus 80 is 230. So I save that in my mind somewhere. But if I want to, I can just go ahead and combine this. So I don't have to remember two different numbers. Just remember one. Now the ones. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. So I just have to add those two numbers in my mind, which would be 1,249. So what you could do as the student is you could add any of these numbers that are three digits or two digit like we had in the first example, and you could do it on a piece of paper and check your work with a calculator. And you could also try to do it without a piece of paper and check your work with a calculator to work on this objective. Good luck.